Hello, mindful viewers. Today we will be discuss about another interesting topic, human-centric design. Have you ever wondered how products are designed to meet human needs? It's not magic, but rather a process known as human-centric design, or HCD. This approach to problem-solving places people at the very center of the design process. It's all about understanding the desires, requirements, and motivations of users, and then crafting solutions that are not only practical, but also desirable and meaningful. HCD is a vital aspect of product design in this increasingly complex world. By focusing on the human experience, we can create products, services, and experiences that truly resonate with people, making their lives easier, more enjoyable, and more fulfilling. So let's dig deeper into this fascinating world of human-centric design. To truly illustrate this concept, we will delve into a case study that many of us can relate to, the evolution of the camera. Through this journey, we can witness how HCD has shaped and continues to shape our everyday experiences. Imagine the early days of photography when cameras were bulky, complex, and difficult to use. Picture yourself trying to capture a moment with one of these behemoths like the daguerreotype camera. This camera, as fascinating as it was quite a challenge. Its size and weight were cumbersome, making it far from portable. Additionally, it required long exposure times, often several minutes. Imagine asking your subjects to remain still for that long, not even a blink or a twitch. This was a time when taking a photograph was a significant event. A rarity, not the casual click we have today. The complexity of these early cameras was a barrier too. They were not user-friendly, with a multitude of settings and adjustments that could be overwhelming. These limitations made them impractical for everyday use, but change was on the horizon. Enter the 1950s, a period marked by a significant shift towards user-centered design in the camera industry. The design focus swung away from technical experts and towards the everyday users. This pivot was not just about making cameras simpler to operate. It was about understanding and catering to the motivations, needs, and wants of the camera user. It was about making photography accessible and user-friendly. Innovations flourished in this era, each one bringing us closer to the cameras we know today. Cameras became less of a specialty item and more of a household staple. But among these innovations, one stands out for its impact on the industry and its embodiment of user-centered design principles. One camera bridged the gap between complexity and usability, setting a new standard for what a camera could be. One of the most significant examples of this shift was the Kodak Instamatic camera. Fast forward to the 1970s, when digital photography emerged, followed by the smartphone revolution in the 2000s. This period introduced a new wave of innovation in the camera industry. With digital cameras, we saw instant image previews, the ability to easily share photos and even edit them to our liking. Gone were the days of waiting for film development. Instead, the results were immediate, satisfying the human need for instant gratification. Then came the smartphone revolution. Cameras were no longer standalone devices, but integrated into our phones. This made photography even more accessible. Snapping a photo became as simple as pulling out your phone, opening the camera app, and tapping the screen. The world became a canvas, and we were all artists with a powerful tool right in our pockets. These technological leaps made photography an integral part of our everyday lives. With every snapshot, we capture a moment, tell a story, and express ourselves, all thanks to the principles of human-centered design. Today, human-centered design plays a pivotal role in camera design. Manufacturers are ceaselessly innovating, driven by a desire to make cameras even easier to use, more sophisticated and more affordable. They're not just thinking about the needs of professional photographers or dedicated hobbyists. They're considering everyone from the person capturing family memories to the vlogger sharing their world on social media. Every design decision, every feature added or removed, is informed by a deep understanding of what users want and need. It's about making sure that technology serves us and not the other way around. And it's not just about cameras. This approach applies to everything we design and create. HCD is a powerful tool that can be used to improve any product or skill. By following the principles of HCD, we can create products and skills that are not only useful and effective, but also mindful and respectful of the user's experience. We appreciate you liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. We hope you find this content to be valuable. We're always working to improve our content and provide my viewers with the best possible experience. Please comment if you have any suggestions or feedback. Thank you for your watching.